Alright guys, we're going to run Grail Punt 154 for Spectacular Spider-Man number 1 Art Germ colour variant. Let's go down here and make it live. So time is 10:19 and the current time in Perth, Western Australia is 10:19 on Sunday the 24th of May. Take these names. We've got Donald at spot number 1. And Pete down at 45. Nice there. So Pete down the bottom there at 45. Oops. And Donald there at number 1. We've got a 3 dice roll coming up. So we've got 7 is the magic number for this one. Alright, good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 times, double check that. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And good luck everybody. Winner is Kevin Koo. He's on a bit of a roll at the moment. Congrats, mate. Let's put this down here. And yeah, when you're saying this, hit me up. And the time is 10:21. And we've got 10:21 Perth, Western Australian time. Great, thanks guys.